I'm here today on Ivy Street in Rainham to introduce you to these beautiful new builds. There are 5 in total. One of them is slightly different to the others, so I'm going to take you inside and show you 2 of them. Each property has its own driveway. They have charging pods for the electric cars, front and back taps, and composite front doors. So let's go inside and take a look around. So this property offers an open plan living accommodation with the kitchen all modern and slick with integrated appliances and a dining area that leads beautifully onto the lounge. You also have the added bonus of there being a downstairs WC. To the ground floor you've got underfloor heating throughout, and then the first floor and second floor are zoned so that you can choose how you heat each zone separately. The location is beautifully tucked away from the hustle and bustle of Rainham shopping centre, yet offers such easy and quick access to all of the shops including Tesco's, Wilkinson's, Boyce's Bakery, Boots, TikTok's Cafe and many other shops, cafes and charity shops. You can walk to the Rainham train station offering fast links to the coast and London, and there are schools galore including the new Lee Academy Secondary School. So to the first floor we have 2 double bedrooms, both flooded with natural light. We also have a family bathroom. And to the second floor you have a generous master bedroom with windows at both ends, offering again more natural light. So to summarise, we have 5 beautiful new builds, all offering 3 double bedrooms, modern kitchens and open plan living. One of them offers the addition of a study and a downstairs shower room, and they all have off-street parking to the front. So if you want to arrange your tour, give me a call today as it's appointment only.